Combine of year's data in one sheet. Marksheet Data. Here we have one source file and one Excel sheet when combined data is coming. In source folder there are different 9 years data and each have 14 sheets. They're named as Junior to Standard 12. Same in Other also. Now in Anther workbook where it is combined all sheet form each Excel. You can see here no data and formula is here, only just click on refresh button and data will combine and come here together. Now you can see all standard are coming in. Let's check that all data is coming or not. Contact us, Excel Automation, MIS or Report Automation, to buy new, renew, consultancy and implementation. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Let's see you in next video.